This guide will help you understand how to request payouts on Discord in a straightforward manner. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth process. Step 1. Access your account. Log into your Discord account using your credentials. Ensure that you are using the account linked to your payouts. Step 2. Navigate to user settings. Click on the gear icon located at the bottom left corner of the Discord interface. This will take you to your user settings where you can manage your account details. Step 3. Find the payouts section. In the user settings menu, look for the payouts or monetization section. Click on it to access the options related to your earnings and payout requests. Step 4. Submit a payout request. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ASRock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm your request. After submitting your payout request, review the details and confirm your request. You may receive a notification or email confirming that your payout request has been processed. Once you have completed these steps, your payout request will be in the queue for processing. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your payout status.